If you have trouble with your Bluetooth device not connecting properly to your Google Pixel 11, if you have any pairing issues, then let me show you what you can do to try to fix this. So first of all, we want to go to settings and let's go to connected devices. And of course, in here, you might be able to find your saved devices, including the Bluetooth device that you have trouble with right now. Especially, of course, if you have been connected to with the Google Pixel 11 before. If you didn't manage to pair it just yet, then what you can do is, first of all, if you have your Bluetooth device enabled, you want to turn it off and then turn it back on. And if you do have the pairing button or pairing mode available on your Bluetooth device, then of course you want to activate it. So you want to use the pairing button to turn on the pairing mode. And then if you have it in saved devices, then of course you can select your Bluetooth device over here to connect. If you didn't pair your device yet, and this is supposed to be the first time, then you can of course go to pair your device, and then you should be able to find it on this list of available devices. But in case it doesn't show up, or you cannot really connect to the saved devices, then what you can do is we can just turn off our Bluetooth device, and then we can proceed to connection preferences, open Bluetooth, and then you can turn Bluetooth off, and then turn it back on. Now we want to go back and you want to repeat that step. So turn on your Bluetooth device, use the pairing mode, and see if you can connect. Now in my case, it connected immediately, but now as I activated the pairing mode, now I should be able to select it again to confirm and connect, of course. And on the other hand, like I said, if you didn't pair your Bluetooth device before, go to pair new devices, and hopefully now you can find it over there. But if still you have trouble with that, what you can do is you can use Bluetooth diagnostics, especially if your device was connected, so you should be able to choose it over here, and then you can choose one of these options, like for example can't play audio, and then you can let your phone try to detect any problem. You can also use play a test sound in order to simply check if you can hear the sound, so then you can determine if it actually works or not properly. Other than that, what you can also do is you want to make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to anything else. So if your device is connected to, let's say, another smartphone or just anything else in general, then of course you want to make sure that it is disconnected. And then you can try to connect it again or pair it again. If your Bluetooth device is paired or was paired previously, you can also go to settings and you can completely forget the device, and then you want to pair it again. And of course, if you try to pair it one more time, it is recommended to turn off and turn back on the device, and once again use the pairing mode, of course. Also, what you can do is you can go back to settings on your phone. Here you want to go to system settings. At the bottom you should be able to find reset options, and over here we can reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can reset these settings. Unfortunately, we cannot separate them. So if you decide to reset Bluetooth, you will also reset settings, which also means that you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi one more time, to all your Wi-Fi networks actually. And of course, all your Bluetooth devices are going to be erased from your phone, so you will have to pair them one more time. After resetting, just once again try to pair your Bluetooth device, and hopefully now it is going to work. If still you have trouble with connecting your Bluetooth device with your Google Pixel 11, what you can also do is you can factory reset your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I can't really show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device, simply because every Bluetooth device has its own way to factory reset the device. But you should be able to easily do so with a little bit of help, like with the user manual or something. So once you perform factory reset of your Bluetooth device, you can of course try to pair it again on your Google Pixel 11, and then I'm pretty sure it is going to work properly without any problems whatsoever. And last thing that you can do is simply reboot your phone. So you can go, let's say, to this quick settings panel, you can tap on the power button here, and then you can not power off, you can just simply restart the phone, and then once it restarts and once it turns back on, you can try to connect your Bluetooth device one more time, and hopefully now you actually can use your Bluetooth device on the Google Pixel 11. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.